welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fall night in my life. I really want to show you guys some new skincare that I got. We're also going to do some fall baking, which I'm so excited about. So I hope you guys enjoy. I actually just recently got back from a dog sitting. If you guys remember, I work for this app called Rover where I do pet care for people. Today was actually my first ever dog walk. I usually take care of cats, but since moving here, I decided to open myself up to taking care of dogs too, to give myself some more opportunities, and I think it was a really great idea. The dog that I took care of today was so freaking cute. I'm gonna insert some clips so you guys can see us playing, but yeah, we had such a great time, and Ari actually came along too, so yeah, it was a really good time. Anyway, I really want to show you guys my OOTD tonight. So it's just this comfy and cozy misguided matching set. It's like this really cute beige color. It's the perfect lounge fit for today because surprisingly, I woke up to it being 66 degrees out in Arizona. Like, I was very surprised, but I feel like everyone liked it because you actually got to wear your sweatpants and sweatshirts and not be burning hot. So it's just a really nice change, and it definitely set the fall mood. Also, I did go grocery shopping this morning, so we are fully stocked for the week, which is super nice. It's such a beautiful fall night. The sun is setting. Like, look how pretty that is. Nala's out here enjoying the weather. It's actually very chilly. I know 66 doesn't sound that cold, but it actually is. By the way, guys, I wanted to tell you how I've been actually staying so consistent with working out. I've literally been working out the past 5 days, and I have seen more results in these past 5 days than like in so long. But basically, I've been doing an ab workout video every single day plus 100 squats. I know that doesn't seem that crazy, but it's actually a very good workout, and literally just because I've been so consistent, I've already noticed my butt looking a lot juicier, my abs looking more defined, and it's just been amazing. So I've been trying so hard to keep it up, but I might fail today on the ab workout because I just got my period and I'm just kind of like sore, but I'm still gonna do the 100 squats for sure. So I'm actually gonna do that right now. Alright, I just got done, and that is actually so much more tiring than you would think. But yeah, I've been doing that every single day for the past 6 days now. So I'm really happy that I've been so consistent with it because I've literally been seeing such a change in my body, which has been awesome. And yeah, I don't really have a specific time that I do that at. I just try to get it done before the end of the day. Sometimes I even do the squats while I'm making dinner because it just helps pass the time when you're waiting for your food to cook. So I kind of had a late lunch today, so I'm not really feeling that hungry for dinner. So I'm honestly just gonna skip the dinner for now and just get right to the fall dessert because I'm just dying to make it. So I guess you guys already know what we're gonna be making since I'm going to put it in the title. But yeah, we're making apple cider donuts. Literally, once I saw those were even a thing, I knew that I was going to make them because they just sounded delicious and fall. But these ones are actually a healthy version and they are vegan too, so even better. Yeah, I went ahead and bought this little mini donut pan on Amazon. It was super cheap, so I'll link it down below in case you guys want to get it. Okay, I can't wait any longer. Let's just get baking. I'm praying that these turn out good. Very quickly, here's all the ingredients you'll need for the donuts. So baking powder, baking soda, salt, cane sugar, coconut oil. This is unsweetened applesauce, 1 egg, some coconut sugar, cinnamon. This is actually unfiltered apple cider. So I thought it was made with apple cider vinegar, but I guess it's literally apple cider. So that's yummy. And then some yogurt and whole wheat flour. a proud moment. This is the first time I've ever made donuts and they turned out so beautiful. I'm so excited to try one. Hopefully they taste as good as they look. I'm about to do a taste test. I also poured myself some apple cider and a snap. Like, these are literally so good. They're so moist. I might have to have another one. Ari's gonna eat all of these when he gets home. I'm actually surprised they turned out so perfect and like the perfect texture. I thought I overcooked them, but I did not at all, because I ended up having to reduce the heat since the original recipe, they use like a normal size donut pan, but I bought the mini ones. So I ended up having to cook them longer, but with less heat. And yeah, they turned out amazing. So thank God. And the best thing about these is that they taste really unhealthy, but they're actually made with like really good ingredients, so that's just so awesome. And they're only like 180 calories, so not too bad for donuts. So I just looked over and saw this little angel sleeping. How are you this cute, Noah? Okay, now is the not so fun part of baking. I'm gonna wash all of these dishes, wipe down the counters. I just feel so much better like going to bed with a clean apartment. It's just so nice to wake up to, you know? When you have to take a shower but your hair looks so cute and your makeup is on point, struggles. Anyway, I'm going to take a shower because I want to reapply my self-tanner tomorrow. So I need to like shave, wash my hair, body wash, exfoliate, all of that jazz. It's kind of a lot of work, but we're gonna get it done. So then I will show you guys my new skincare routine after. I guess I'll also show you guys what I like to put in my hair after I shower. So I'm just brushing it out right now with a wet tooth comb. Looking kind of crazy, but anyway, I went back to my tried and true It's a 10 leave-in conditioner because it's just so easy to apply. I just like that I can quickly just like spray it in my hair. It smells so good too, and I just comb it through. I usually just put it through like the end of my hair. So yeah, it makes your hair super soft. Smell amazing. So lastly, I just use this Argan Oil. This is by the brand Ootd. This is really good. I've been using it for years, like on and off, but yeah, it just really helps with like frizzy hair. And I just do like a few spritzes around my hair and then I brush it out. But again, it's another spray bottle, which I really love because I'm just kind of lazy. So just having a spray bottle is super convenient and it helps me like keep up with my hair care. Okay, before I show you guys the products, I just want to show you guys what my skin looks like up close. So it is looking pretty clear right now. I'm very happy about that. It's looking pretty even too, not too bad. I do have some breakouts going on up here. I'm not really sure what it's from, maybe like sweating or something. But yeah, so I'm pretty content with my skin right now. I'm just gonna jump right into it. So I'm still using the same cleanser as always. I never really switch up my cleanser unless I have to, like if they literally stop selling it, that is when I will change it. But yeah, it's just the Yes to Tomatoes charcoal cleanser for clear skin. It also targets acne. I find it so effective. Like it literally clears up my skin so quickly, and my boyfriend uses it too. So yeah, we both are obsessed. So right after the cleanser, I apply this face oil. This is the one by The Ordinary. It's their Rose Hip Seed Oil. This helps with like evening out your skin tone and I think anti-aging. So yeah, I actually bought this for my boyfriend, but he just never used it. So I was like, okay, let's not waste this. Let me use it. So I just kind of stole it and now I've been using it. I haven't been using it that long though, probably like 5 days, literally not that long, but I really like it so far. It's very hydrating. I just put a couple drops on my face. And then I just like press it into my skin to really like get it in there. So yeah, this will make you very like shiny, oily, glowy, whatever you want to call it. So definitely this is like only a night product, looking very glowy, but I have heard really good things about this oil, so yeah, I'm excited to use it for like a longer period of time. Now for the last step in my skincare routine, this is just a moisturizer, and I actually just picked it up, so I haven't even tried it yet, but I'm really excited too. So this is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream. It's just a night cream, and it really helps with anti-aging. That's something that I really care about and always look for in products because I am 23, so obviously I want to present that. It doesn't really have much of a smell. It looks like a very thick cream, so I'm just gonna take a little bit. Feels like so soft. I was too ahead of myself, guys. The last step in my skincare routine is my eye cream. This is the one by Glam Glow. It's their Bright Eyes eye cream. I want to try out a new one, but I told myself that I can't buy a new one until I finish this one because it's almost gone, but eye creams are not cheap. So I just want to use this one up, and then I actually have a reason to buy a new one, you know? So let me know if you guys have any eye cream suggestions, because that is like my worst problem area, is my under eyes. They're just hereditarily horrible, so. My face is looking like it just had a tall glass of water, so very happy about that. But I will keep you guys updated on how I like the products, if I think they're working or not, like in future videos. I'm planning out my to-do list for tomorrow, so honestly I just like uncheck the things that I do every day because it's just a lot easier instead of like deleting them and rewriting them. So yeah, we have work, stretch, workout, read. What else do I need to do tomorrow? I need to edit this video. So I just finished up writing my to-do list. Literally, to-do lists are lifesavers. They help like remind me just of the important tasks that I need to do and help me stay on track so I cannot function without them. I wanted to play with Nala, but she's like fast asleep. I usually play with her every night. Maybe she'll wake up in like a few hours or something. But yeah, usually she's like going crazy right now, but I don't know. I just like butt like 20 times, I feel like. I'm just chilling now, waiting for Ari to get home. He's been gone for a long time. But we're gonna watch The Nightmare Before Christmas when he gets back. I've been dying to watch it. I haven't even watched it, and it's almost Halloween, so I need to see it. I mean, I've already seen it so many times, but I just love that movie. Also, I have a question for you guys. Are you dressing up for Halloween? And if so, what are you dressing up as? Let me know in the comments. I have no idea what I'm gonna be, but I should probably come up with it considering Halloween is this week. I always do this. I'm such a last minute planner. Ow.